The River of Grass, also known as the Everglades, has historically been a source of water biodiversity for 5,000 years uninterrupted until a specific project changed the Everglades flow forever, impacting the ecosystem as a whole. As a water manager, my position is to oversee conservation, treatment, and study of local water sources to ensure sustainable water usage and quality control for everyone. The growing presence in South Florida, urban development, and agriculture has dramatically altered the Everglades ecosystem through habitat loss, altered water flows, increased nutrient runoff, and introduction of invasive species. These issues have taken away many aspects that make the Everglades flow constant. Humans have significantly altered the Everglades ecosystem by canals and levees constructions for the purpose of limiting floods and diverting water to either farmland or urban areas in need of more water. By the expansion of cities and residential areas from land conservations, the Everglades ecosystem has been fragmented from these human expansions, taking away vital sources which keep the Everglades flow uninterrupted. There are 5 effects from altered water flows in South Florida: wetland fragmentation, habitat loss, altered fire regimes, increased salinity, and invasive species spreading, which are already happening, causing damage to cities across South Florida. Altered fire regimes, especially, cause significant risks as fire becomes more commonplace away from its normal occurrence season. The increased salinity in coastal areas has extensive effects on coastal sea life, especially in estuaries, which are sensitive like seagrass beds to any change made in the water. Another big factor on the harm of the Everglades is water pollution, such as agricultural runoff. This including fertilizer, pesticides, and herbicides. Urban development, including stormwater runoff, and industrial activities. Watershed management, what is it, you may ask? It is the practice of coordinating activities within a watershed to protect and improve water quality, natural resources, and overall health of ecosystem. This is crucial as this assures the safety in clean water going back into the Everglades and water being pumped into our homes. My goal as a water manager is to ensure the sustainability and equitable management of water resources. I pride myself into making sure everyone's water quality and water clearance into the Everglade is suitable. There is hope. Restoration efforts have been made on restoring ecosystems such as the Everglades, improving water quality, and mitigating the impacts on water damage. By increasing the water supply in the Everglades through reservoirs, it can help by mimicking the natural cycle by releasing water during the dry season and storing water during the wet season. Aquifer storage and recovery is a water management strategy that involves injecting water into an aquifer for storage and then recovering it later for use, particularly during the periods of high demand or drought. This method, particularly, could be utilized in the Everglades restoration plan as it takes ground. As it goes, not everything is perfect, and sadly, things are not as easy to obtain without one doing for what's morally correct. Resolving the issue with meeting the increasing and competitive needs by natural, urban, and agricultural areas, we will need a multi-pronged approach involving conservation, efficient water management, and exploring alternative water sources like desalination and water reuse. For this to work, it is crucial for us to all pitch in together as one species. This is our home, and we must protect it at all costs. Together, we can accomplish a lot of things, especially when it comes to our planet's Earth, our home.